Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Allegiant Air account to manage bookings and access travel services, follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Allegiant Air website at allegiantair.com or open the Allegiant mobile app on your smartphone to access your account. Step 2. Log into your account using the email address and password you created during registration. If you haven't created an account yet, sign up first before proceeding. Step 3. After creating your account, Allegiant will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox, including spam or junk folders, for this message. Step 4. Open the verification email from Allegiant Air and click on the verification link or button contained in the message. This will confirm your email address. Step 5. If you didn't receive the verification email, log in to your Allegiant account and look for an option in your account settings to resend the verification email. Step 6. Complete your traveler profile by adding your personal information, including your full name exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID, date of birth, and contact information. Step 7. For faster booking and check-in processes, add your known traveler number or TSA pre-check information if you have it. This information can be added in your profile settings. Step 8. Set up your payment preferences by securely saving a credit or debit card to your account. This makes future bookings quicker and more convenient. Step 9. Review all your account information to ensure accuracy, especially your name and contact details, as these are critical for booking confirmations and flight communications. Step 10. Once your email is verified and your profile is complete, you can start booking flights, managing reservations, and accessing exclusive member offers from Allegiant Air. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.